Welcome back to Fabricating Awesome Stuff. In today's episode, I'm going to show you a major milestone in the build of my SONEX aircraft. I started the engine for the very first time. Yesterday, I added oil and removed the lower spark plugs so that I could spin the engine quickly without starting in order to confirm that I had oil pressure prior to the first start. And today, I filmed the very first start of my turbocharged AEROVEE engine. So let me know what you think in the comments. Also, remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of these updates. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and thanks for watching. We're going to watch the oil pressure, which is right on this bar here. Right now it's showing 1 psi, which is basically no pressure. Spin the engine over and watch that oil pressure come up. Went up to 24 psi.
Like me or anything. Yeah. She got hit the hardest thing. Vixen had it pretty bad for a day or two. And then,
All right, so I guess no time like the present, huh?
Okay, I'm going to try to be out of the video.
Okay. Don't worry about it.
I don't want the IRS to catch me. But I'll be right here
Okay.
with the fire bottle.
All right. Oh, I need to climb in, so the wing's a little higher. The wing's a little higher than this. Okay. All right. Set the parking brake. Okay.
Wait a minute, where's Chris?
She went in the house. I don't know what she's doing. Okay. She said she had something she needed to do, so. Okay, here we go. We're going to let it boot up here. Let everything boot up so we know we've got oil pressure and okay, it's booting up. Okay, so now turn the mags on. And we're going to go full rich just after I hit the starter. Okay, so here we go. Crack the throttle just a little bit. Clear prop. Stay the hell out of the way. Is there fuel coming out? Is there any fuel? Oh, I didn't turn the fuel on. That usually works better, doesn't it? Fuel is off. Numbskull. Oh, okay. No fuel. Okay, here we go. All right.
Sounds good.
See, I
Started.
can't believe
Good
it.
thing.
That's pretty cool, isn't it? It sounded good, didn't it? It was running pretty good. It seemed like it was a little bit rough at idle, but so if you don't see any leaks or anything, everything looked good. Mags are off.
There's nothing dripping out of it.
Okay, and not seeing. When it was running, did you see any black smoke coming out of the exhaust or anything?
I did not see.
Okay, all right. So it's not too rich.
I didn't go for it.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to let it idle and warm up. Okay, here we go. Mag's on, it's hot. Okay, we're going to let the temperature come up. Okay, so tach's not working. It's showing 0 RPM. The manifold pressure is working, but the tach is not.
You need the tack right now.
Do we? Otherwise, we don't know what we're.
Right, what's going on? Yeah. So your blow-by tube fell off.
Oh, okay.
Here. I don't think it would hit the prop, but you might want to. So okay, so
I'm going to turn the fuel up. So, oh, that's the other. I didn't check to see if it was charging, because the tach output is on the regulator, and I don't know if. So I probably should start it and see if it's charging. I didn't even look.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll try that again.
I'll get out of the way.
Okay, clear prop. Put the fuel back on. Mags on. Going hot. Okay. Oh, let's wait till it boots up here. So I'll have to figure out. We're not getting the tachometer for some reason.
Which is, what is the tach?
RPMs. So we don't know how fast the engine running. The manifold pressure is working, but not the tach. Okay. All right, it's booted up, so now we'll go hot. Here we go. Gas is on. Okay. It's not charging.
I noticed the injector moving around, but I guess that's okay.
Yeah, it's just rubber on there. Okay,
So, alternator.
I got to do some. I'm going to have to figure out what's going on. Okay, mags are off, master's off, fuel is off. Well, at least we know it runs. That was the main thing for today. Yeah, it was running really nice. Okay, so there's a no. It's a like a dynamo inside here,
Okay.
and I know that it was wired per the manual, but we're not getting any. So it goes from that dynamo to the regulator, and then there's an output from the regulator for the tachometer.
The
Regulator is right here.
okay.
So here's the tach output right here, and this is and then these go back in here to where where the alternator is, inside right there.
Oh, up in,
There's some, whoop,
up
careful.
in there.
Yeah, there's windings. It's like inside that case.
Yeah.
It's like an alternator winding.
Yeah.
So I'll have to do some troubleshooting on that.
Yeah.
Careful, that's hot.
It doesn't take me long to figure that out.
Gotta do it once, right? That's what I tell my boys. Person's like, they're gonna get hurt. I'm like, well, they'll figure it out after they do it once.
Yep.
Well, it looks, oh, what's this?